and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the keyboard shortcut for minusing or minimizing an individual window within Excel, primarily using the Windows key and the down arrow. So with that, let's get started. I'm going to launch Excel, or the existing window that I have open in Excel, by pressing the Windows key and the number 3. I'm going to be able to do this because currently Excel is the third application on my quick access toolbar. So in our last video, we looked at how to use the Windows key and the down arrow in order to restore down an active window. But once you have a window in Excel that is no longer the full breadth of your screen, meaning it's been restored down, pressing the Windows key and the down arrow a second time will minimize that individual window. So to demonstrate, we have a maximize window and we press the Windows key and the down arrow once, it would restore that Excel window down. We press it, the Windows key and the down arrow a second time, it would minimize that window. This would be true for Google applications such as Google Chrome. So we press Windows down arrow once and Windows down arrow a second time. This would be true for Word. So we have a Word document here. We press the Windows key and the down arrow once, it restores it down, and then because it's been restored down, when we press the Windows key and the down arrow a second time, it would restore that down. So again, we're here, Windows down arrow once, twice, and it's minimized. Now, if we have a minimized window and we want to, or we have a window that's been restored down and we want to minimize that individual window, we can press the Shift key and the F9 key, rather the Control key and the F9 key. Pressing the Control key and the F9 key would minimize that Excel window. So again, we're in Excel. We have a window that's fully maximized. We press Control 9, it would minimize that. If we have a window that's been restored down, Control F9, it would minimize that individual window. So the two keyboard shortcuts that you can use to minimize an individual window are Windows down arrow, or alternatively, you can just press the Control key and the F9 key. Now, if you did not know or wish to use either of these individual keyboard shortcuts, you can come up here and just use the System button. Clicking this minus sign will minimize that individual window. And a fourth method is similar to what we looked at in the last video. You come up here to the top of your Excel window and you right-click with your mouse. Right-clicking with your mouse would allow you to bring up this menu and you could go to minimize. So that includes 4 different ways to minimize your Excel window. The first would be to press the Windows down arrow once, perhaps twice. While that is an excellent method, you can also press the Control key and the F9 function key. Once you've used those methods, you can also come up here and use your System button. Or lastly, you can right-click and then select minimize. With that, in our next video, we'll look at how to restore a regular sized window so that it is maximized, particularly in the application of Excel. We'll do this by using the Windows key and the up arrow keys on your keyboard. So check that out in our next video. And as we like to say here at Productivity Me, thanks for watching.